If you hand your iPhone to someone to make a call or look at a photo or video, you're not just letting them do that one thing, you're handing them a completely unlocked phone. One swipe could take them to the rest of your photos or messages before you have time to grab it back. There's a very important setting on your iPhone that locks it inside a single app. But there's one important option if you forget it. They may still be able to browse through your photos. I'll show you now. Open Settings. Scroll down to Accessibility. Then select Guided Access. And turn it on. As soon as you turn it on, the options you see on the screen will appear. Open Passcode Settings. Tap Set Guided Access Passcode. And create a passcode that no one else knows. It's better not to use the same passcode that unlocks your iPhone, especially if the person using your phone already knows it. Turn on Face ID or Touch ID so you can quickly end the session while the other person can't exit it. Now open the app you want the person to use. If it's a photo, open the photo. If it's a video, start playing it first. Next, quickly triple-click the side button. If you have an older iPhone with a home button, triple-click the home button instead. If a shortcuts menu appears, select Guided Access. Before tapping Start, you can use your finger to circle any button or area of the screen that you don't want the person to tap. The area you select will be disabled while the rest of the screen will continue working. Next, Open Session Settings. On some versions, it may be called Options. If you're showing someone a single photo and don't want them browsing through the rest of your pictures, turn Touch off completely. This is the most important step because Guided Access prevents them from leaving the Photos app. But if Touch remains on, they can still browse the other photos inside the same app. You can also turn off side button and volume buttons so no one can control those buttons, or turn on time limit and choose how long they can use the app. When the time runs out, the iPhone will stop being usable, and it won't continue until the Guided Access passcode is entered. After adjusting the options, tap Done. Then tap Start. Now, try swiping up or going to the home screen. The iPhone will remain locked inside that app, and no one will be able to open your messages or other apps. When you get your phone back, triple-click the side button, authenticate with Face ID or the Guided Access passcode, then tap End. But pay attention to this warning. While Guided Access is active, emergency services and crash detection won't be available. You must end the session before you can make an emergency call. Don't leave Guided Access active after getting your phone back, especially while driving. Finally, if this is the first time you've heard about this setting, write New in the comments. If you already knew about it, write Old. Hit like and subscribe, because the most dangerous time for your privacy isn't when your phone is locked. It's when it's unlocked and in someone else's hands.